All right, good morning everybody. Hope everybody is doing well and off to a good week. We are starting off our morning with an adventure. One of our goats is out, so I'm gonna go try to wrangle this goat. Normally things like this would be kind of a bummer to the start of my day because it's already hard enough to get 5 kids ready for the day and homeschool a couple of them, but this is probably one of the last times on this property that I'll be doing something like this. So it's kind of nostalgic and I don't mind too much. The kids are... What, did the bunnies use lipstick and we didn't know about it?
Huh?
Did the bunnies use lipstick and we didn't know about it?
No, it was in my pocket.
Oh, lucky find. So these kids are already up and out here doing some morning chores.
You open this. You were the one standing on it.
What are you guys doing?
Holy cow, this is sealed in. Feeding the rabbit.
Feeding the rabbits? Or is it frozen shut?
No, it's not. I just stand it on it.
So whose job is this normally to feed the rabbits?
Landis.
Show us how you do it, Landis.
I only want one Weston and Anna to watch. What? No way. I can't watch. Well, all of these people. I want to go in.
Go ahead, go in on the other side.
Chloe, in here. Go in. Hey, my shoe. Which one should I feed you first? You wait. Why do you want me to feed it? We could do 4. Each get 4. Why are you doing it? It's frozen. You can't even get it off. They each can get 4, but really, what you do with this one, you do 3 scoops with this one. 5 and 2.
Well, while you guys finish that, I see the problem over here that we need to fix, right? All right, it shouldn't be too hard to get her back in the fence, I hope. The hardest part will be not letting the other ones out, but we're gonna go get some food, see if we can get her back in and then get inside. It is cold. I wish I had brought gloves. All right, we got our goat feed. I got my helpers, so wish us luck. All right, who's gonna be my fence turner offer?
Mine. Me.
You got it? All right, when I tell you, you shut off the fence, okay? And then you gotta stay right there because when I tell you, I'm gonna have it put it right back on again.
I got it.
You got her? All right.
Coming up. Wait, you can help me if you want.
Okay. On your marks, get set, turn it off.
Oh!
Go, Missy, no, go.
Don't turn on, don't turn on.
Okay, on.
Good.
Good work. That was way too easy.
Get shocked.
She's not gonna get shocked, it's okay. Now the hard part is they're out of water. We gotta get water. Who's gonna help me?
Me.
Who's gonna carry it?
Me. I'll carry the bucket.
You gonna carry it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I have to cheat a little bit when I take water out to the animals. I'm gonna put it in a bucket. I'm gonna put it in a wagon because there's no way I can carry that all the way out there without spilling it all over. And I know I'm gonna spill half of it in the wagon, but at least it'll hold them over until Jeremy gets home and he can top them off. We did it. That wasn't too bad. Good job, you guys. Look how thirsty those goats are. Thank you for helping. High five. Yes. All right, we did it. Good job. Nice work. Everybody else left us, huh? The boys abandoned us. Only us hardworking girls are left out here saving the farm. saving the goats. But I'm freezing. How about you? My fingers are frozen. So we're gonna go inside, warm up, and see what's next. Okay, the boys are downstairs doing their schoolwork. They're working on that, which is kind of nice that we have that flexibility of starting school when it works, because I can remember sometimes last year where we would need to be getting the boys on the bus or getting in the car to head to school. A pig would be out, or a goat would be out, or a dog would be down the street visiting the neighbors.
But we don't have even a pig.
We don't anymore, but we did. Remember that one time we had Ida in the middle of the road? Do you remember that? And so at least we have the option of starting school later. So the boys are downstairs doing their school. So we snuck up here to open this package we've been waiting to open. We're kind of excited to check it out. So we thought we'd show you while we do. Yeah, let's see the front. Can you show us what we're opening? Turn it around so we can see the picture.
This one?
The other right here. See? So we got this cool nightlight in the mail, and it's a sound machine too. And we've had nightlights before, we've had sound machines before, but this one's kind of cool because you can control it with your phone, and apparently you can even control it with Alexa. So we're gonna check it out. All right, Ellie and I came in Clover's room because it was too noisy in the other room, right? So we're gonna check out, we're gonna check this out using the app. So, which is actually kind of cool because there have definitely been times where we have put Clover to bed, forgotten to turn on her sound machine, and then we sneak back in here to do it and she wakes up, and that's so sad. Or the electricity goes out and the sound machine goes off too. So, all right, so it was super easy. We downloaded this app called Smart Life, and then you can do everything from it. So we can turn it on. Ta-da! Did you see that? Here, why don't you hold it up a little bit so they can see. Oops, I didn't need to do that. Pause. You can make the light softer. I wonder how you change. Ooh, okay. So you click on the light, and then I can change the color. So let's say red. Ta-da! And then we can pick our sound. Oh, you can also mess with the brightness over here, which is neat. The brightness of the light. You can add a timer on here. So let's say you want your music on for only an hour. You can do that. Okay, I don't know what this noise is, but there's 3 categories for sound. It's soothe, sleep, and focus. Oh, you must accidentally turned it down here. That's okay. It's easy to do. And this one, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you can't. It's a picture of a brain. This must be the one that makes you smart. So anyway, pretty cool. It's pretty neat, the stuff that you can do on your phone. All right, so there you go. Kind of cool. It's called HeimVision, H-E-I-M, Vision, nightlight for kids. So if you're looking for a nightlight, this one's pretty cool. It would have been cool to have it when the kids were a little bit younger. Maybe we can gift it to Theo. What do you think? Do you think Theo would like that?
Yeah.
I think he would. I can't speak to how long it lasts because we just opened it up today, but it looks pretty cool. I like the look of it for sure. All right, I hear some kids screaming down there, so let's go check it out.